Hi, my name is Dipanshu and this is my video walkthrough for ITBO Assessment 2. For the case study, I chose Amazon as my organization. I picked Amazon because I think it is one of the best examples of a company that is completely built around information technology. Pretty much every part of how Amazon run its business depends on digital systems working properly behind the scenes, which makes it a really interesting organization to analyze for this assessment. So just to give a quick background, Amazon started in 1994 as an online bookstore, but has grown into one of the biggest companies in the world. Today, it operates around e-commerce, cloud services, computing through AWS, digital streaming, artificial intelligence, and even grocery delivery. It makes money through direct sales and third-party sellers on renting cloud computing and power to other business through AWS. That's completely what they really go for. The first thing I looked at in my report was the information system Amazon uses. There are quite few different layers to this. As the most basic level of Amazon users transitioning process system, these handles everything that happens in a real time on the platform. Every time someone places an order, the TPS automatically checks the payments, updates the stock levels, and then notifies the warehouse and creates a tracking record and for all the bases for the Amazon. Above that, Amazon's management is definitely something that we are talking about, which take all that raw data and turn it into useful reports and dashboard for managers. A warehouse supervision can check how different stocks are leveled and how can higher and lower can they go and which the companies track their scales and their history. But the most impressive part is Amazon Business Intelligence, the recommendation engine that suggests product to you based on what you browsed or brought between different things and revenue according to research and the type of product that have been sold. The total of these kind of research is done by like McKinsey and Company. Amazon also use predictive analysis and how much stock would be used or would be able to be used in a couple of days and the time they actually arrive, which is how it manages to deliver so fast. Now the IT infrastructure that I talked about was honestly it is like scale that is hard to imagine. The company runs data centers, fulfillment warehouses, and server facilities all around the world. Inside its warehouse, Amazon also has a definitely robots from Amazon Robotics. These robots drive around the warehouse house shelving to the workers, and which has made the whole fulfillment process a lot faster than doing it manually. The most important piece, though, is the AWS, Amazon Web Services. That was originally built for Amazon. Internally means on the community that can scale it up and the time they process order and such events like Black Friday, Christmas Day, they can build up that stage and where can they can easily deliver to people. Everything is connected globally through a mix of Amazon's own private global search and standard, which they won't obviously leak. Now, the section 4 that we're talking about is database and data management. For data management, Amazon uses two main type of databases depending on what the details are. For structured data like order records and payment histories and delivery details, Amazon uses relational database that has organized and helps count everything into a table quickly. And for bigger volume, obviously, Amazon is less structured, like browsing data, real-time click stream, data stream, and NoSQL database is also updated, but they have to be updated time by time. Which DynamoD database is designed to handle massive amounts of data, which is a little bit better than MySQL or any other basic database. The reason all this matters is that data drives almost every decision for Amazon, and it's like kind of hard for a company like that to figure out where to cut off or where to like talk about things and definitely like say more and we'll talk about things. So to wrap it up, what my case study showed is that for Amazon, information technology is not just something that supports the business, it basically is the business. Every system, every piece of infrastructure, every database, and every security measure work together, and then they are fast, personalized, and reliable experience. The customer experience every single day. The bigger reason I took from their companies is definitely the technology that has been coming through, and then how much longitude and a lot of things that we can see. And that's why I just thought Amazon was the easiest and like the most important choice, because it's just out there and there's a lot to learn on there. And thanks for watching the video. And this is basically my individual case study for ITBO. Thank you.